At Graffiti Plus, we believe in the power of art as a medium for expression, connection, and transformation. We are passionate about making the world of graffiti accessible to everyone, everywhere, in a way that respects and honors its roots and culture. We see graffiti not just as an art form, but as a powerful means of communication, a shared language that can transcend boundaries and bring people together. Our founder's formative years as a graffiti writer in Uruguay in the mid-'80s were pivotal in shaping our vision. The journey of our company began in 2008 with an innovative idea: to create an experience where individuals of any artistic ability could explore, create, and share in the realm of graffiti. This idea gave birth to our digital graffiti wall, a product of cutting-edge technology that clearly shows our genuine love for the art form. A tool that enables people to engage with graffiti in a way that is not only fun, but also respectful of its culture and history. Over the years, we've had the privilege of collaborating with remarkable artists and brands, including some original graffiti legends. Today, we actively collaborate with local artists, providing them a platform to share their passion and help them earn from their art. Graffiti Plus is more than just an experience. It's a community. A community of creators, artists, and dreamers who believe in the power of art to connect, inspire, and create change. We are excited to see where this journey will take us, and we invite you to join us in making your mark on the world.